Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, I got a minute delayed. I'm expecting my second part of the PPT to be coming. So while we're doing this, if you'll have questions, please shoot, no problem. We can take about another couple of more questions.
So, Sharath, I have a question.
Yes, Mahir.
So, what is the benefit of a vendor over here once he has got a new lead?
We are getting there. Don't worry. We are getting there.
Right. I mean, this question is not from me, but from my wife.
I know your wife or your father, and then the entire city of what's the city that
Akola.
Sorry. Then the entire city of Akola. I know this.
Sharath, I have a question.
This is the only thing in my life I wish I could change. I was born in a Gujju family. I wish.
And one more thing, in this My Circle, do I need to create a circle or how is it?
Let's pretend you didn't hear what John said. You just have to spend.
Okay.
The difference between the FIFO and the My Circle Wala cashback is that you have the potential of making, it's not the potential, you will get a cashback in form of GG coins and GG money to the extent of 1 crore. But you don't have to wait till you get 1 crore. You can get 500, 1,000, 3,500, so on and so forth at different stages. You can speed in it, but it just requires a little bit of extra effort, which we will talk later. Offline, because right now then it will just derail all the other.
No, but, because it's written My Circle over there. So
छोड़ो ना वो nomenclature है. Just take it as a don't take it. Say our circle or GG circle cashback.
Okay.
Don't say My Circle. I know. See, it is just designed. It is called My Circle because you can choose to create your own circle. I'm saying don't get into confusion right now because then others will go till 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Hi Sharath, I have one question. Anu here.
Okay, Anu, can I had Baki asking for a question, so I'll take that and I'll answer yours as well.
No worries.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sharath. Sharath, I have this question. See, all these 4 forms of cashback. So which one would you recommend, like as your recommendation?
I'm a money guy.
1000%.
Which one?
1000% My Circle.
Why on planet Earth would I take any other cashback?
Okay, no, because I just downloaded the app after listening to everything. Now when I'm exploring it.
Stop. What's this? Okay, all of you, what's this? How many of you downloaded the app after today's presentation? Type in the chat box. Say aye.
We can raise our hands, right?
No. You all are all very conscious about your looks, no?
No, she's talking about Zoom ka raise hand.
Zoom raise hand.
You now want me to count? No. See, all of what we do has to do a little bit of gimmick and a little bit of drama, no? How will I keep your attention for 4 hours? Okay, so you see all the number of eyes? Now, for all of you who said that it's going to be too good, too aggressive a target, when was the last time you've given 100% cashback? Now I'll show you how vendors will come in. Okay? Now we'll show you how vendors will come in. But does that answer the question, Paki?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, Anu, you had a question.
So Sharath, say for example, I'm starting downloaded just now. I start first transaction. I spend 10,000 today. I buy something. Maybe Sanjay gifts me something. Yeah. I buy 10,000.
Nice. You're shooting from my shoulder. Very nice. Good.
Yeah. And then I just leave it over there and I have chosen the option of My Circle. I leave it for maybe a couple of months and maybe couple of, I don't know. Yes. One day, I would be eligible for this 1 crore. Am I correct to understand?
100%. You got that correct.
Great.
And every 10,000 will also be eligible for this 1 crore?
Now you're talking. Absolutely, yes.
Okay, understood. There will be many ifs and buts, but we will discuss that later.
And again, for everyone who's still having questions, clarifications, doubts, this doesn't work, this sounds too good to be true, scam, vagera, I am absolutely fine. I am absolutely fine talking about this after we've done, because today was just to introduce you to the concept. Ladies and gentlemen, please understand, the entire essence of Global Ghana is its UPOS. That's the biggest. We will have only 9 lakh UPOSs licensed in the country. 9 lakhs to serve an audience of 1.3 billion. Is that right?
Correct, 138.
138 crore people. Any more questions? One more before we begin. Please don't start shopping now. Yeah, we can shop after the presentation. It's okay. We'll wait.
Sharath, just
Sharath, I downloaded the app before you sent me the link. Okay, so,
Before.
but after I saw your mails, you said check the one of the family members should download, right? So I downloaded, I did all the adding and all of that stuff. Should I log myself off and then rejoin with the link that you sent? No, doesn't work.
Doesn't work.
Sharath, just
That doesn't mean,
I get a unique
that doesn't mean you will not get my time. We have a relationship beyond one referral link, so we will talk. If
No,
that's
no, but I'm not in your circle now. Is it?
Arey, forget your circle. We've been working together for 11 years.
That's true.
So we'll talk later. Don't worry about it. KK, one more and then we're done.
Sharath, maybe you could tell us do's and don'ts at the end of the call, because just like, what I heard, I also did it on my own.
That's why, please, next time when I'm sending out instructions, read through them. I will show you, I will tell you which message has that instruction because they were carefully drafted.
Correct.
Now, when someone is taking that effort to tell you all and let you all know that these are the things to follow, please follow, because that way, I've done so many group coaching batches, right? I know when the minute we say don't do something, we do first. And when I ask you to please do it, that never happens, right? So all of this a little later, right? So we'll get back to our PPT. Now, okay. So ladies and gentlemen, we have 4 components of Global Ghana has 4 components, okay? User, vendor, UPOS, and partner. We will learn each of this in detail now. But first, let's go with user. Does anybody want to know why should a user be on this platform?
Make money.
That is one, but make different forms of money, right? So let's understand what is the profile of a user. Who is this a good fit for? Anybody who spends 10,000 rupees in a month and knows other people who spend probably faster. Yes? Anybody who knows and himself or herself spends 10,000 rupees and more in a month or a week, or even in a year. Good so far? First criteria. Second, your earning sources. If you're looking at earning an alternative without doing any changes to your current source, which means you will earn through referring new users. And ladies and gentlemen, please don't do anything right now when I'm talking. I'm telling you, I've got a structured plan for all of you. If you're going to get thrilled with a referral incentive, we are talking pocket change here. So please don't do anything right now. If you downloaded the app through the link, stop it right there. After that, there is lots that we have to discuss. That's why there's a reason why I said March 31st on my email, right? So I have got a plan for each of you, depending on the data points that I know. We will talk about this and then see how we'll take things further, okay? So with that said, your earning sources, which means what? How many hours can you give extra? Now, like Mayur was just looking, he's probably already started looking at a couple of Amazon vendors and then see how many messages you can and how good a follow-up system you have. Okay, and then basis that, get as many number of vendors you want, get as many number of users you want. Nobody's stopping you. You can do all of this at your comfort. Okay, so you got a time commitment. Now, if you can put a couple of hours, 4 hours, and whenever you want, nobody's stopping you. If you're spending 1 hour on social media, of that 1 hour, 30 minutes and just send out an invite, which I will share with you later. It's very, that message that you got, the invite that you got was drafted by me. And in case you'd like to see the amount of time and effort that has gone into all of this, good, we still have 60 people on call. Huh? So, ladies and gentlemen, do you see my screen?
No.
No, Sharath.
I was just checking if all of you are still awake.
No.
Nice cover up.
Anyways, yeah, Mayur, it takes on to know one. So, do you see this, guys? These are all the automated messages that will go out, not from Sharath, from Sharath's staff. So I'm just saying, I'm not taking this as a part-time. I know this is a 6-month game, September 2021. In that time, how much ever partners I can get on board, what strong network can I have, and how many businesses can I help? Am I making sense? So that's my level of commitment. Your level of commitment could be very, very different. Because let's say if Global Ghana chooses to say, we cancel all your contracts, but this is happening after 3 years. Heck, it happens after 1 year. Hypothetical situation, right? Let's say if we cancel it out of 1 year. Till 1 year I got, it didn't work, no big deal. Since the time that I've been doing financial planning, SEBI has come up with 100 different rules. Whatever I did, I adapted, I modified. If it worked, great. If it didn't work, I would be in something else. I'm not doing this to replace my personal finances. I love doing what I do. Having families to change, having to change families' fortunes is a lovely business to be in.
Yep.
However, I should not restrict my options. I don't want to be the too busy person. I'd like to see options. And if those options work for me, I'd like to share it with my families, just like we do for investments. Okay, sorry, I digress a bit. Let's get back to the PPT. Okay, so that's time commitment. Then you have advantage for the user. Zero cost. Stay there for as long as you want. Get yourself involved with your comfort, right? I don't think there's anything better than this. Now, if you remember the Rockefeller's quote, how many 1% do you have working for yourself?
Yep.
In the next 1 year, if you make an expense of 3 lakhs on the platform, 3 lakhs divided by 10,000 is 30 expenses. Now you have 30 different 1-1 sources working for you. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
How about if there is so many other more people getting part of the network? And you end up paying lesser in taxes. I'm making it sound like it's very simple. It is not. And heck, making money is not easy. It takes time and effort. So you can either play now and pay later, or you pay now and you play later. With each passing year, the payments get expensive. All my group coaching families, you know exactly, you've heard this multiple times. So you either put the time in now. We can all be very busy and all of us have 24 hours. Until now, I do not know of any other platform that gave me this kind of opportunities. So this is as far as the user is concerned, right? Earning potential. I'm not going to go to the calculator because I like to save some time. We'll talk about this a little later. User benefits, I am going to. So here is the thing. As users, we stand to make anywhere between 2 to 1,000% in cashback on purchases, depending on which cashback option we choose, right? I just said 1 crore for every $1,000. You earn 10% of income on your referrals. You make 2.75% in income from vendors, right? These are all your potential. Now, vendors. Okay, Nagesh and Sindhu, would you want to come online for me, please? Could you unmute yourself? Thank you. I thought you all were upset with me. Anyways, so Nagesh, Sindhu, here's the thing. Let me ask you a question. You all are in the coffee filter business, right?
Sorry, come again.
You all are in the coffee filter business.
Coffee
branding services.
Right. So let's say you're by now, because of all the new verticals, you're working with restaurants, you're working with all these other, new businesses, new verticals. And are these all going to be, are they all got some good connect? At least you're building a good relation rapport with them. They like you, they're doing business with them, right? If you could offer that same business, other people's businesses, would they buy it through you just because you got a good relationship?
Possibilities.
Possibly. So let's say if there are 100 opportunities, 50 of them would possibly buy. Okay. And if you can do it all from your end, would they worry about it?
No.
What have I given you? For promoting other people's businesses, you're going to be getting an income as well. Does that sound nice? Now you as vendor, knowing so many more vendors, can get those vendors on the platform. They get the same benefits like you've got. And you all get new customers. Is that nice? Until now, Sindhu and Nagesh, don't lie about this because I know how much of effort is gone. Do you all have a digitization done of your business? Are you listed on, can I track you guys online?
No.
Right? Can I, do you have a mechanism of giving cashback and rewards? to your audience?
No.
Would you love to? Would it be nice to would it be nice to gift your existing customers? Right? Would it be a nicer way to be able to retain new customers, retain existing customers? What do you think you can do with all the Global Gunner app? Get
I
yourself
think this
registered.
works more for the retail.
No,
Yes.
so I will get that in a bit. And Sindhu, you're right. It works more on retail. But why do you need everybody? You tell Sharad, do you know people who know corporates? I like to get in touch with HRs. How soon before you have HRs coming on platform? Get more HR vendors to come on the platform. Finish. I'm making it too simplified. But heck, was it easier before? But now there's another resource, right? Is that making sense, Sindhu?
Yeah.
We will talk about how you can benefit from retail also there in a while. But right now I'm talking only vendors. Are we good so far?
Yes.
Any other people who are in their own business, self-employed? Would you want to say any other pointers? I mean, would you? Is there a difference of opinion here? The reason I'm getting these different groups of people to participate is to get. I mean, you all can see what is important for different categories of people. For a user, he's just happy. Oh, I'm getting cashback. For a vendor, you're only interested, let more customers come, forget all this cashback and all, let me look at it later. But along with that, you're getting a cashback as well. You are a user and a vendor as well, correct? You will also spend on everything else outside your business, yes?
Yes.
Now you all are planning to buy a printer. Would it be a good reason for Shreyas to be on this platform? Tell him after the call.
We started looking for who else is there as a vendor.
Right? Good. Thank you very much for your participation. And ladies and gentlemen, if you can give a round of applause in the chat box to Nagesh and Sindhu. It takes a lot to volunteer. So, thank you, Nagesh, Sindhu. There you are. I've mentioned who is this good for? Any business that has good margins or has got a marketing budget and wants to spend on guaranteed sales is a good client, is a good candidate here. I'll rephrase, any person in business who's got good margins or got good marketing budget is a good fit out here. Why did I say good margins? Because if you're not willing to share with Global Gunner, why will Global Gunner go about pitching for you? Yes, that's about it. Very simple. Next, earning sources. I've just given you a breakdown on that. Time commitment. I don't know. I mean, if I had a platform that could attract more and more customers, I'd probably put only more and more time on that. Good news is I don't need to do it myself. It's simple. I can train a staff to do just this, or one part of the backend work could be done by this. Yes. Lastly, advantage for the vendors. Not only do you get an influx of customers, not only do you go about, one second. So all of this is out. You get a digital package. So you get to get listed on Global Gunner's platform for free. You get only sales inquiries, and we also go about sending sales people who are customers to you. Right there. Rewards and cashback, which means you can have a system of rewarding your frequent buyers, and therefore you can retain them for longer. Increase in sales, which means when you have more sales coming in, you will have more revenues coming in. More revenues coming in, you will have better negotiating power with your vendors and suppliers. You get Nagesh, Sindhu, and all of you who are you're going to be getting on board as a vendor. You get 2x of GG coins of the brokerage that you paid. So if you paid 5,000 rupees to Global Gunner in brokerage, you get 10K in Global Gunner coins, which you can use with other vendors. Is that cool? Lastly, I'm not going to be talking about the software and all of that, because this is a little, we'll talk more about this a little later. And UPOS is what we're going to be getting into the next category. But any questions from my from the salaried folks and the self-employed folks? Any questions right now? What happened?
probably
Essentially, sorry, KK, please go ahead.
just maybe we might need some help later on. How do we approach vendors and make them on board? For example, I know a couple of mom and pop stores.
You have introduced to the system by Sharath, right? You tell me, see, towards the end of the call, I will ask you how you want to get involved. Depending on how, there's a format, you know me, no? It's all automated. I can't do two things repeated. It has to be automated, right? We will send out a message. You will respond how you'd like to get on call. We'll get on a quick 15-minute thing. Let's see your time commitment and then get you added. Because I know you're probably thinking of so many names that you can get onboarded as a system. I'm giving you a disclaimer, just like how you thought this is one kind of fraud, they'll also think the exact same. Don't get excited about it. You know, 100 names, 10% of them will choose to get on the platform before it's too late. Right now, it's all free. But imagine the day when Times of India puts an ad, then people will pay a subscription fee. Do you know how many of my families whom I've worked for, we've been working for over 5 years now, have chosen not to be a part of this? And I'm not doing a repeat. I don't know when I will keep the edited recording as well. Okay, can we have everyone's light muted, please? Thank you. So KK, how many of the people you know? It's okay, great. Don't go overboard. Give your time, see who would you like to do it. Would Parvati like to be associated with this? How much hours? See, everything is a function of time, effort, and how fast you can do it. Like you see, I've done all these messages. And all of this is automated. I'm not doing it by myself. I have 10,000 followers on LinkedIn. I have 8,000 followers on Facebook. Sorry, connections. No, I'm not a popular guy just as yet, right? I intend to be there, but I have connections. I don't know 80% of the people. I've all sent organic messages like this. So why am I doing this? No, now because the topic is come. Can you see each person who I get on the system can feed into my financial planning practice, and each of the people who are in my financial planning practice can feed off the system. Same effort, two benefits.
Sure.
If in case anybody is still thinking, why is Sharath wanting to do this, right? I'm not planning to do this forever. September 2021, right? So now get
specific only to Karnataka, or can you look at vendors?
You can do throughout the country. Right now, Global Ghana is a pan-India company.
Okay, right.
Right, and guess what? You don't need everything is done online, Anupam.
Anish.
Sorry, Anish. Everything is done online. Everything. Right? The agreement is, so we will talk when we get there, right? But we're just now getting to know the concept. Now let's talk about UPOS. UPOS is Global Ghana's proprietary application that allows buyers and sellers to do trade. Are we good with this so far? As a vendor, as a partner, as a user, I don't need a UPOS. As a vendor, as a buyer, as a user, I don't need a UPOS. But UPOS is a tool that is given to the leadership, to the people who would like to build the Global Ghana business. Needless to say, all the people in that hierarchy that I spoke to you about, right? MCPs, CPs, their main function will be to have that many more UPOSs distributed. Now, who are the people who will buy a UPOS? I will tell that to you in just a minute. But who is the person who can sell a UPOS in our system in Global Ghana? Only partners. Partners is one very important component in the distribution system of Global Ghana, which we'll talk in the next module. But for now, we're talking about UPOS. I had to give that back, that context. You cannot buy a UPOS from any system. You cannot buy it online. It has to come through a partner. Good so far? So what is the advantage of a UPOS? Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to take a little break so that I can, I can sip some water. But I'd like you all to give me responses. Unmute your lines. Go ahead, Shu, tell me all the challenges of a business, which we all covered. Come on. I'm not proceeding.
Sustainability, viability.
That was the checklist, Anandan. That was the checklist. I said, what are the challenges of running a business? Why have so many of us not taken a business?
The risk.
Capital.
Risk, capital. Thank you very much. Let's get a few more answers.
Infrastructure, as whatever was discussed at the start.
So infrastructure, lack of
then-
time, not sure what to get into, complications of running a business, having to sell. Some people can just get a heart attack when you have to sell because selling is bad, right?
Business coming in.
Business coming in, as in you're worried about how to get business coming in. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. So all of that said, people, Global Ghana is a good, look at me. UPOS is a good fit for anybody who's already in business and already has got a couple of customers, so that he can service his customers by selling any other vendor's product through this platform. You see the potential here? Me being financial planner, needless to say, I already have a UPOS. I can show you my bill. You know what? Let me do that right now. Is it there in the folder? One second, ladies and gentlemen. Can you share that in WhatsApp for me, please? Sorry, I don't think I have it just as yet, but again, Shobita, who's sent. Okay, yeah, here. So all of you are thinking of not involving your spouses in business who are happily married. Now is the reason why you need to have one involved in the business, right? So it's not coming yet. So give me a second. Okay, all of you who are downloading the app, I'm getting GG coins. Just letting you all know. So where it is? Ara? Is everybody able to see this?
Yes.
Yep.
Here's my UPOS. 54,000, and that's my GST. Now your question is, Sharath, if a user and if a user and a vendor don't need UPOS, why have you taken? A UPOS is basically an instrument that will have a separate level of income altogether. We'll talk about that in just a bit. But for all of our understanding, UPOS is a universal franchise that allows anybody to sell any vendor's products who are listed on the Global Ghana app. Can you just see how large this is? So now KK, Mayur, and all of you other folks who have vendors or businesses, you can promote their business through your UPOS and make an earning on that. It's a digital application.
Repeat the last two lines, Sharath.
What I was saying was, okay, now you heard Mayur, right? Mayur is a photographer, Mayur is also a trader and things of that sort. So let's say, or let's use, Mayur's example is good, right? Mayur chose, he's already a UPOS owner, by the way. I'm not making up stuff. He's already, he and I have gone through multiple courses where we kind of understand the same language. So he, on the introduction day itself, he went about buying a UPOS, right? Now, let's say Mayur didn't buy a UPOS like Nagesh and Sindhu. Sharath was recommending Mayur. Now, Sharath is as a user or as a partner or as a vendor. Sharath, as a financial planner, as a vendor, has got UPOS. He goes about promoting Mayur, who is a photographer. For his business that happens through my UPOS from my customers, I make a separate revenue. This is a UPOS income, a trade income. 9 lakh UPOSs in the country, 9 lakh licenses, 1.3 billion people. Now, this is where the influencers come to use. All of you who know manufacturing units, all of you know large business houses, all of you know people with multi-outlet businesses, the Adishwars, the electronic stores, multiple, right? Anything, a chain of like the chef bakers, or like let's say Lotus Labs. Any large entity, you can go about telling them to do just this. And because of the UPOS that is sold, there is revenue that is going to be coming from here. You are helping that vendor to go about selling to his existing user base so many more businesses. Nagesh, Sindhu, real quick one. Let's say if all your hotel owners went about having one of these things, do you think you're doing them a favor? Do you think they'll be grateful to you? Okay, they're shy now.
Yes.
Well, what happened? Why are you saying yes and so such a you're worried about the fact that you're going to make more money?
Not really.
You get where I'm coming, or have I confused you?
No, Sharath.
Right? So now you as vendors, heck, you know what? Let's say there are people, let's say, no, 54,000 and all, this doesn't work. This can be a fraud. I don't want to, I can try. You can sublet it as well. To how many people? 18 people. Let them use it. Let them get more people, and by a percentage sharing, you can decide how much income comes. Now, if you have a hotel, and let's say in your apartment now, suddenly you start selling coffee, not necessarily to corporates, but you like to keep a vending machine in every household. Why? You think we couldn't have? I have 6 employees who come to my home every day, right? Now, can I be a customer to you? Yes, I can. And like this, if you have 10 other people, you have all of them as a retailer, as customers, right? Can you sell them somebody else's product whom you believe in? You don't need to sell the entire world. It's 20 crore products and services listed on the platform, right?
I just have a question there.
Yes,
Now,
please.
Selling it to the consumer directly. So we need to have something for the, placing of the orders, or does GG have?
I will talk about that in the partner model, but very good question. Very good question, but I'll talk. I'm just here to tell you, this is not, everything is designed very, very thoughtfully. It's not some kind of a random scheme that is just come and then, like this will fly out. Please understand, the UPOS is going to be a trade system where I can trade. It's like a digital mall with zero infrastructure. I mean, tell me, today if you took a franchise of, let's say, Lakme, how much do you think is the investment? Anybody on this call? Let's say you took a Pizza Hut franchise. How much do you think is the franchise fees? Sorry?
The franchise fee alone.
The franchise fee alone will run in at least 20 odd lakhs. And after all of this, you can only source pizzas. You can't source anything else. I'm giving you a tool that for 50,000 bucks, so 70,000 rupees, you can go about doing business over 126 online websites, 27 branded stores, and 12,000 plus right now local vendors, with an entire intent of having 36 lakh vendors are getting added in the near future. Do you see that potential? So with that said, we've already completed all of this. I'm not going to be taking. So these are pointers I need to rush through because I have just another 30 minutes before you all start saying, okay, Sharath, 7 o'clock. So here's everything that we just looked at, right? This one line captures everything. Opportunity to own a digital franchise system that can sell over 20 crore products and services from a 50,000 crore inventory base. Let's say all of this doesn't exist, but you can still source somebody else's business. Is that good? Let's say these numbers were not there. 20 crore is all alive. Let's say it's only 20,000. How does it make a difference? We still can source other people's businesses, right?
Yeah.
Any question? Okay, Dr. Santosh.
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
Yeah, I'm listening. I have plenty. I'll come to it in the end of it.
This is the problem with doctors. You all always have too many questions, but I don't mind. I'm not running away. I will definitely answer towards the end of the call.
Yes.
Sure. Thank you, doctor. Sorry.
One question. So onboarding a vendor is different from, or you have an option to onboard him through UPOS or directly also.
Very good point. So let me put it this way. All vendors who are coming on Global Ghana, they don't need to have a UPOS. But a vendor having a UPOS has suddenly created another income vertical for them. Yes? So, Anthony, are you on this call? Anthony?
Sharath?
Awesome. So let me use Anthony's example. Okay. Anthony, can I reveal a few details about you?
Yeah, sure.
Not about the money you make. I can tell you that for sure.
That you can reveal.
No, I don't want to get caught in the wrong way. But yes, Anthony, ladies and gentlemen, has as a family, they have multiple salons. How much? Multiple salons. Now, let's say Anthony installed a UPOS and he got a database of all of his customers. And Anthony knew somebody else, his brother, who is in the food business. And Anthony said, hey, for everybody who came here today, I'm giving you a discount and you can go to this restaurant. What are the chances, Anthony, you will not have more visits coming to the restaurant? Anthony's still thinking. Did you just say something in the chat?
Sorry, Sharath, I just couldn't hear you. Sorry, I had a bad network. What did you say?
What I was saying was, Anthony, you have X number of salons, right?
Yeah.
You all have X number of salons. This is in your family. Now, your brother also owns a restaurant, correct?
Yes.
You have retail number of customers. So let's say you have a UPOS in your platform. You can be listed on Global Ghana as a vendor. But heck, you want to go about creating another source of income. So what do? You go about having a UPOS of 54,000 rupees invested. Now, for all your retail customers, once you build a database, you send out a message or mail or tell anyone from your staff to give them a call and tell, we're running a discount. We're running an offer for all salon customers to get a cashback or something of that sort on the food. Get your brother's business to be listed as a vendor.
Yeah.
Do you see the income sources that are generated, Anthony?
Yeah.
Do you like what you're hearing? You're not sure. Yeah. That's not sure. We'll talk more about it towards the end of the call, right? Everybody, have you all understood this? We are going to go to the one last element, which is partners and a couple of other things. But any questions for me right now?
I have one question. So,
sorry?
The point is that if we have a UPOS, and when we actually directly can have a POS that is buying directly from the app, how would it, give us an advantage?
So as a user, you remember all the incentives and everything that you can get?
Yep.
That stays as a user. But as a UPOS owner, all the trade that happens on the website, there's a breakup of all the percentage commissions that you earn for the trade that happens from various products. It's all there. All the listed vendors are there. That comes in as a separate earning altogether. So as a UPOS owner, you get the user benefits and you get the user as the UPOS income as well.
Okay. So you mean to say that I can have multiple, like say,
Anish, you will have to speak.
We have one UPOS.
One second, Anand. Anish, you will have to speak up a little into the mic.
Sorry, yeah, I was just saying that. So you mean to say one UPOS holder can have 20 vendors under him, put him on the app, and then everything.
You can introduce him as a vendor. You will get him as a vendor. You will get him from the user level. You will get him as a vendor. You will get the vendor commissions. As a UPOS, you will get the trade earnings.
Great. Okay, great.
Thank you, Anand. I think you had a question.
No. So what I understood.
Anand, pause. I think Anand, pause.
That we played earlier was UPOS.
Now your line is okay. Your line was distorted. Yeah, no problem. Turn off your video. That's okay. Go ahead.
So the question I asked was from the videos or the links that you had sent earlier, I understood that one UPOS is available per PIN code. Right?
Very nice observation. Yes.
So I can't have more than one allocated, let's say.
No, you can. You can, and then it's not one UPOS per PIN code.
Okay.
It is one ACP per PIN code. One Sharath-like designation per PIN code. Sharath can have this UPOS sold to how many ever vendors, but the limit is 9 lakhs.
Okay.
Once 9 lakhs is done, no more new licenses, no more new manufacturing of UPOSes across the country. So now for all my salaried folks who are asking this question, this is only for businesses? No, not really. If you are a salaried person and you know vendors, you can get associated as a partner, which I will talk to you in a bit. But heck, if you already know so many people, why as you as a salaried person, and if you've got time at your disposal, take a UPOS, get all the people to trade, whomever you know who's in business. And here's the kicker. Why don't you do all your expenses in your own name? Don't do business. All your family's expenses, do it in your UPOS. You get cashback income, you get referral income, and then you get UPOS income. Now you'll know why I got an UPOS as well.
Sharath, can you repeat, please, for salaried?
Sorry, who was this?
Sanjay here.
Sanjay, okay, watch. Sanjay, you stay in the apartment that I know. I mean, is that okay? Can I voice it out?
Yeah, sure.
Republic of Whitefield, yes?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, right? So you've got multiple stores, correct?
Yeah.
Now you can refer all these vendors to come on the app. You will get a vendor related commission as a user. Okay. In order to sell a UPOS to the same person, you need to be enrolled as a partner, zero cost. You enroll as a partner, continue doing your job, tell this person to buy a UPOS. On every sale of a UPOS, you make an income. And from then on, whatever trade goes on that app, on that UPOS, you consistently make an income lifelong or till the company exists.
Oh, okay, understood.
This is one. Let's say you don't like selling, you don't like talking. Sharath, I'm very reserved. I don't have the time. Doing all of this sales is below my... I don't like to talk to people. I'm very introvert. You spend on yourself, buy a UPOS for yourself at 60,000 one-time investment, 65,000 rupees one-time investment. Get yourself the ability to earn from referral, to earn from cashback, to earn from your trade that happens on your UPOS with your family, with your parents' family, brothers, sisters, whatever it is, on all the cashbacks that happen. Every travel that you're doing, if there's a travel vendor, do it through that. Not only are you getting cashback, but you're building a percentage income of the sales that happen through your UPOS as a trader without stepping out of the office, stepping out of your home, stepping out and doing any other form of inventory, no cost management, no hiring, no salaries, and every other challenge that comes of being in business. While this is there, it's not there forever. September 2021, deadline. Any more questions? Salaried, self-employed, business?
Sharath, one more question. Anisha.
Go ahead.
So Sharath, what you're saying that I can use it and buy everything from UPOS, all the expenses from my family.
Yep.
But for that, first I would need all the vendors in that UPOS.
Do it. How many other vendors are there now? There's already 12,000 plus vendors. And Joby, okay, who is this person that you think might not be? Give me an example. Who do you think will not be there on the app?
No, they have to be on my UPOS as a vendor, right?
No. So 1 second. You can okay. Let's say I am Anisha's. You and I are friends. Okay. I have a pet.
Right.
I need a pet salon. I can search from my app also as a user. But then you're saying, hey, you know what? I've just got this universal franchise. I can do any of the inquiries that you have. Tell me what is it that you need. I tell, hey, Anish, do you know a pet salon in town? You will refer me to this guy. And you will do the trade from that app, from that UPOS. Because you can do business anywhere across the world. They may not be registered on your app, on your UPOS. However, you get a vendor onboarded on his brokerages, on his sales numbers that he pays to Global Data. You get from a user perspective, not from the UPOS. UPOS happens only when there is trade being done.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Yes, it's not easy. You will have to service clients. You will have to service inquiries. You will have to service bill issues and everything, just like any other traditional business owner would. Ask yourself if this is something that you're game for. Do you have the bandwidth under your current arrangements? John, I see you sharing a video, so I think I misquoted something.
No, that's perfectly all right. Just I would like to add one thing here. There was previously one question about the electricity bill or a Vodafone bill, if I remember. That example was given.
Nice.
So over there, I think, I don't remember the person, he was talking about the gateway charges. So when you do the bill payment through UPOS, there is no gateway charges applicable. That's going to be a very big selling point. How you get customers onto the UPOS. I, as a customer, when I go directly pay my bill, I need to end up paying convenience charge as well as a gateway charge. When I get connected with Sharad's UPOS, there is no 2.5% additional because he is an official distributor and franchisee. So I get a waiver on the gateway charges.
Yes, John, that was actually me, John, Amitabh. And when we were paying the bill, it showed up that 20 kilometers away, I have a UPOS. Contact him if you don't want to pay the gateway charge.
Amitabh, you recently joined the family. I see you doing trade from anybody else. Then we'll get lower returns on your investments.
I'm sure about that.
The same question.
Amitabh, in such cases, we have a GG voucher as well. See, considering there is a UPOS which we are still spreading, we are still promoting, you have an option of a GG voucher where you will get a waiver on that. We will discuss on that as well. So you need not end up paying 2.5% additional as a customer.
And again, for everybody I'm not telling you that everything on GG will be the cheapest. But for every expense that you're spending, you will get 100% of your money back. Paytm, it's free. It's not charging you anything because they're just looking at how many transactions were done so that they can raise the next round of funding. You're not getting anything from back today or anytime in the future. Some ridiculous Paytm coins or something will be coming which will get expired after some time. And this is not just with Paytm again. This is with any reward system that is there. The best that's in town is with Amazon. 1 year validity. And that's why Amazon is Amazon. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen,
and if you're not just one more pointer, like each time a customer gets added to your UPOS, whenever he does a transaction, it is automatically you get a credit. Let us say, I just go out, travel without even knowledge of Sharad. But apparently, once I get connected as a customer into Sharad's UPOS, he will get returns lifelong, continuously.
So if any one of you were thinking about the fact that I have time for this, Global Ghana is going to be a big company, please understand 9 lakh is the limit, September 2021. Right? How many ever numbers you can close by then? Because every person, every family is linked to their mobile number. Once I have you onboarded, if you don't like me and you just don't, you want to just say, Sharad, tumhare nahi sunna, bad luck. You are hooked onto my network. So you better be nice to me. All right. With that said, let's move on.
So Sharad, just one question over here regarding UPOS. So right now, basically, I have my own customized product and I have like a clientele for that. So basically, I can get that onboarded and I can get the transaction done via UPOS and I can make benefits out of it, right?
Absolutely. So now you can come on board as a user, as a vendor, as a partner, and as a UPOS owner. Absolutely.
Got it.
So who can buy a UPOS? Anyone who's looking at making an extra income. How much is that extra income? Completely depends on your time, effort, and how much are you willing to scale up. What kind of contacts you have. Right? Next, 1 second. Homemakers. Homemakers, if you have a good connection, if you're a part of communities, if you're active on social media, 3-4 hours, do your normal trade. Nobody's going to be your boss. Nobody's telling you when you have to open, close at your comfort time. Make sure that this is done or have a system that manages all of this. This is a good fit for you as well. Cable operators, if you guys know cable operators, I mean, can you imagine how many customers in a community or in a location will cable operators have? Then you have insurance agents. Let's pretend we didn't look at the previous point, right? But hey, you could get other people on board, right? Multi-outlet owners, small and medium business owners, and consultants, and many more folks. In other words, simply anybody who's looking at leveraging their network that they have. 300, 400 people that that are going to be buying, selling anything worth 10,000. You need to have this. If not, see, this is Global Ghana's pitch. My pitch is, You are going to be a user, you're going to get income coming in. That's one source. By cashback. You will get referral incentives if you choose to refer this to friends and families. You will also get a trading income done from UPOS. Even if you're making only 60,000 rupees or 50,000 rupees coming in every year, with all of this one-time investment, you're getting an opportunity to be a business owner. And tomorrow, for some reason, you say, you know what, I don't want to do this job anymore. Or, you know, all the hotelier families who never had an option before. Now, let's say if you've built some bit of network, you can probably start doing this. It's not passive. Sorry, it's not it's not passive, which means there is time and effort that you have to put in, but it's residual. You can choose to take it how big you want to take it. Okay, so with that said, any questions, ladies and gentlemen? Folks? Okay, so I'll move on to the next thing. Before we get there, UPOS advantages, it's 50,000, 54,000 plus GST, keep a number of some 64,000 rupees odd. You get 500 movie vouchers. You get 500 movie vouchers at 100 rupees each. This you can distribute to your customers, your friends, whatever it is, use as a marketing stunt, right? Zero risk, zero maintenance, zero operation expenses. If you had to build an application for yourself for reward systems and everything, can you possibly imagine the expense that you would do in order to develop this at your end? One is to develop, one is to maintain. Next, can be installed on any supported Android, iOS, Windows, laptop, tablets, mobiles, right? I don't think it can get any better than that. Lastly, you can go about doing trades across 20 crore plus products and services, 27 branded stores, how many ever local vendors and getting added over and over again. Yeah. So I'm now quickly going to walk us through I'm not talking about this. We're running out of time. So partners. Okay, there you are. Who is this a good fit for? This is a good fit for anybody who understands this module. Now let's say Sharath. Hey, Amitabh, can I use your example? Would that be okay?
Sure, Sharath.
Thank you. So Amitabh, in 17 years of being with the Oberois, I'm sure you are very well connected with some who's who in the industry. Would that be right to say?
Yes, Sharath.
Okay. So let's say you knew a business owner, a business house that would probably benefit tremendously from having a UPOS. Let's say a multi-store outlet, right? You sell the UPOS to him. Okay. You get a one-time sale of 5,000. Not that you have to do, but you can. You have an option. But the kicker on all of this is that any trade that happens on that UPOS, you make a consistent income till the time that there is commissions that business house is going to give to Global Ghana. So how is this different from a user? A user cannot sell a UPOS. Is that making sense, Amitabh?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I know you will not do it, obviously, because there are restrictions and all, but I'm just throwing out possibilities. Heck, you don't need to do it. And you think, Sharath, you and I can partner together. Why don't you reach out to this guy? Why don't you talk about all the benefits? I'll do that on your behalf, and then we will work out things. Possibility. Okay. You do not need to do it on your name. For all of you guys who are working with the GSs, with the Fidelities, with the Society Generals and all of these things, do it ulta ungli. Somebody else can make somebody else a partner. You don't want to do it, nobody's forcing. But for all the time that you said, if there is something else that I can make a passive income for, or I can have residual income, now is a good alternative. On people spending, right? So anybody who's got the connections, anybody who's got a good network, got the time, got the acumen, and got the interest to make that boatloads of money in this case, is a good fit for being a partner. So the only difference between a partner and a user from an earning perspective is a partner can only go about selling a UPOS. Nobody else. Mayur, when you bought the UPOS from us, did it come from Sharath? Did it come from Shobita?
Shobita.
So Shobita becomes a
partner.
Why do you think she's a partner?
Because she will, she will get.
I'll make a 10% on her sales.
Sales, correct.
Now, does everybody know why I told you to install this app only per phone so that all of you can take advantage within your family itself? Okay, is it only me or how many people have quit on me? Okay, only 4. So why are the questions coming down? I mean, you all are not interested in all of this. You all are only okay with cashbacks. I'm stopping the share. I'd like to hear some feedback. People.
Permutation combinations are getting too intense now. I guess I said it right.
Especially being a Gujarati, no?
No. Now even for, I mean, now I'm also feeling like there are too many permutation combinations.
Now you know why I told you don't buy another UPOS.
Yeah.
Okay. So Mayur, you cannot, I'm telling all of you on this call, you will not learn everything today. We will have to get on a separate call. We will have to do a little bit of background understanding of your situation and then see which one can. If nothing else, at least get a UPOS for yourselves. But Sharad, why do I put 65,000 rupees? If there is only 9 lakh UPOSs, if there is only 9 lakh UPOSs that is going to be licensed throughout the country and no more, which means what's the population of the country? How much ever the population minus 9 lakhs. That many people will not get this opportunity. What do you think will be the price point of a UPOS? Will it stay stagnant? Because you can lease out a UPOS.
But
just
will
like
it be transferable at a later point in time?
You can lease it, you can sell it, you can rent it.
Okay.
Anand, I think you had a question. Do you want to shoot?
No, the same thing that you mentioned. It's interesting, and this particular 4 hours or the last half an hour is not good enough. I think we have to sit together and discuss more about it.
Can you imagine? This was supposed to be done on an 8-hour workshop.
Okay.
We successfully managed to do it in 4 hours. And we still have a little more content. But folks, any more questions, guys? Anything? I mean,
a UPOS, does it have a life validity? I mean, is it a lifetime thing?
Only 90 years.
Great.
Sharad, not everyone can speak like you. Suppose I have to convey all this information to someone. So how I was just going through the videos there.
How do you want to get involved? Okay, Sindhu, can you imagine the discomfort that you're saying that I can speak? I'm not selling, right? I'm educating. That's my, I will agree, I can educate really well because I understand the situation. If it doesn't work for me, nobody gets it, right? And I'm willing, in this entire grand scheme of things, what is my investment? 65,000 rupees, my time, heavy duty amount of time, right? But in all of this, if my family is, even one person likes it, what's the ROI? I don't know. Now, in your case, do you think I can speak like this in Kannada? Everybody, no, some people who are localites, if they only understand Kannada, they'll say, oh, hogale. Right? I can't speak in Kannada. I have disadvantages. And even if you don't, you decide how you want to get involved. Outside the call, we will see how we can partner up together. The global, I mean, can you imagine? John at his level, he's a regional director. Why is he on this call for last 4 hours? He can be working with a network of team. I mean, imagine how many people are around there. He's got a large network, right? Remember, 10. So he's got roughly about 1,000 people that are going to be reporting into him. He's given 4 hours. So the network is willing to support those people who like to be supported and who are going to be promising. They're not going to be talking to everyone who's going to buy a UPOS and then just keep it for family trade. No. We are okay to put in that 1 or 2 sessions to see how this can benefit you. But once you put it, then let's see whether you want to take it. Because again, you have your choices. You want to say for 3 months, I don't want to do the trade, absolutely fine. You want to go aggressive, go aggressive. How do you think I'm getting involved with Global Ghana? Does it answer the question though?
You can also mention about the continuous walls that we have in the event, the physical meetings that we have. This is your approach. Your way of approach is this.
Okay. Thank you very much for bringing. You are paying very close attention, John. So everybody, this is not how everybody else does it. Global Ghana, every regional director has got under him a team of leaderships that go about conducting a presentation in a hotel, like exactly what I was planning to do. My skill set is because I have the goodwill and trust of all of you. You all chose to come and sit down for 4 hours. John was saying, Sharath, are you sure you'll have 4 hours people sitting? John, I think I proved you wrong. We still have 56 people and we started with 60.
Oh, amazing, amazing. This is one of the first kind of a presentation where, 4 hours of a session. Brilliant.
All right. So that's outside. But everybody, if you want to get involved, like I said, we'll have a separate call and we'll see how we can get involved together. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to blaze through a few things. Okay. So please forget all of these slides. Everybody, here's your incentive for one last time. As a user, you can make an instant cashback at 2 to 10%, and FIFO you can make 2 to 200%. From my circle, you can make a 1000% cashback. You can earn from GG coins anywhere between 5 to 70%. You can earn through GG money, which is real money, partly from most of these cashback. You can earn by referring a user. So all the cashback that he earns, you get 10% on that. You get a vendor referral. That is incorrect. That's not 5 to 70% in redemption. This is 2.75% on the vendor, on any kind of brokerages that the vendor pays to Global Ghana. Okay. This is as a user. This is as a partner. UPOS sales. This is chicken feed. Don't even look at this. But if you'd like to get involved, I mean, if you know good connects, like I said, one manufacturing plant. Hey, you know what? We had what is it? Security systems, home security systems, home automation systems vendor. They're giving 20% cashback to Global Ghana because they don't want the headache of having to market and everything instead of putting it on papers. They got a ready set of clientele and they have the bandwidth to go about installing that many applications. Can you imagine the person who introduced that vertical, that business to Global Ghana?
70%. What they are offering is 70% commission.
Don't say that. That's not. That's when people think it's a fraud, right? Because why would someone give 70%?
Yeah, that's true. And you as a UPOS owner can get 30% commission out of it. You don't manufacture, you don't deliver, you don't stock, you may not know the technology, still you get 30%. That's the thing. Anyway, I leave it Sharath to move on.
All right. I was hoping John doesn't say that, but yes. I mean, take a look, right? Do you really think a Samsung phone, just because it's priced at 70,000, that's a making cost? An Apple, do you think it actually costs so much? People are willing to buy, but that doesn't mean that's my cost. I can give whatever sales numbers I want to give. I can give whatever incentives I want to give as a manufacturer. Yeah. So with that, summarizing what we learned, right? There are 4 components: user, vendor, UPOS, distribution. It's a cash-only business. Ladies and gentlemen, there is no money being paid out from Global Ghana from its pockets. All the money is paid only after earnings have been made through vendor commissions and sales of the UPOS. The business model is a success based on the viable, sustainable, and scalable parameters. Let me ask you, anybody, do you debate the fact that the model is viable, sustainable, and scalable? Viable simply because you're going on buyers and sellers. This trade is going to continue for as long as people are going to be using money, or as long as people are going to buy and sell things. Is it sustainable? Yes, I'm not spending any money. I'm not frauding people saying that, hey, you get cashback and discounts on buying this food, and then the price on the app is 20% more than buying it from the restaurant itself. The price is the same everywhere. Whichever way you buy it, everything is very transparent. So it's sustainable. Is it scalable? I use one model here. I use the same leadership model in another country. And for those of you who don't know this, we are expanding to 187 countries. Is that right, John? Is my number right?
187 countries.
187 countries. Thank you. With the first
Middle
one,
East and UK, we are moving fast. Yeah. Middle East and UK.
The Gulf. Yes. All the Gulf countries, GCC, right? So that's it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have 2 products, which is Global Ghana's own. We have GG Aquash, which is a water franchise, mineral water, and then we have a Kirana store from Global Ghana. Okay, I'm going to blaze through this now. This is predominantly a water franchise that you can have and earn by just having your mineral waters being distributed. and this is going to be earned from pin code specific. So if you're looking at it, not giving away too much of numbers because I'm sure you all are saturated for now. These are the franchise benefits. If I have a state franchise, I get 1 rupee per bottle and 10% of all the advertisement income that will come in. 2 rupees per bottle, pin code 2 rupees, and trolley. Trolley is nothing but the vehicle, the truck that is going to be used to distribute this to various parts of the city. This is my cost at a franchise level. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here's the thing. If you know of business owners who are looking for another vertical of almost guaranteed income, right, and willing to take a little more of effort and time in terms of the risk that comes along with the business, on a guaranteed distribution model, 10 crores is the investment. You as a partner will get this part as a franchise fee one time, and all the earnings that is going to be coming 3% as a partner. You don't even need to be a UPOS owner. Can you imagine what will this happen if it's just a UPOS owner? We'll not get there, right? But let's say you're a partner. We know, folks, all my hotelier friends and anybody who's connected with large manufacturing companies, right? With business houses. If they want to go about buying one of these units, okay, one of these franchises, you get those fees. You get those things as incentives. And franchising earning every single month till the time they are in business. If you all are in decision making where you all can run contracts and see who gets what, and if it's permissible within the regulations of your company, whatever it is, you can see how this can be worked on. Alternatively, if you want me to go get in touch, have a proper conversation, and hey, I don't like to deal with people who think that they are only important, right? So if that's the kind of connection where they're going to say, okay, call me today, call me tomorrow, we're not talking to them. So just letting you know. But that's the earning that we're talking about. Residual, impactful, and long-term sustaining. This happens for your mineral water. Now you have a Kirana store. Same logic, same numbers, same reason why you're going to be getting in. You have a franchise benefit. Remember, you're going to own a Kirana store. You don't need to do this by yourself. You can tag along for the money that they're asking, right? For the cost that is asking. You can go about having 2 or 3 people partner up together. And if you are okay to pay a consulting fee to Global Ghana will go about taking care of your staffing, advertising, recruitment, and everything else that is required to have a franchise-based business, including selecting of a location, designing of the store. Can anybody tell me the biggest advantage of this? Anybody? Come on, people. I mean, I've been talking for 4 hours without it bringing down my energy.
The raw material that they require will be at the best price.
No. Mayur, you're banned from answering anymore. It looks like only Mayur and Mayur, KK, Anandan, and a few others are having a private talk. Can I have some questions coming from all the others as well? No chats. I'm not reading chats. I can't read chats. Unmute your lines. Don't share your videos. It's okay, but unmute your lines. My God, so pricey you guys are.
So there will be only one shop per pin code or something kind of. So it's like you don't have a competition around. Might be.
Nice, Kiran. That is point number 1. What's the bigger advantage of this?
Just do the running work and you pay the franchise amount. The entire ecosystem is there to help you.
In the grocery store, all the people coming in become your referral incentives. Aha. There will be 90,000 grain stores across the country. When? I don't know. There are 2 grain stores in Bangalore, Ejipura, Banaswadi. owned by Global Ghana, not franchise, as a test project to see how are things working. This was just launched 15 days ago. Am I right with that, John?
Yes, sir. 15 days before.
Thank you. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, there is a share ownership. I've already short our time. So in respect for everybody, I'm not going to be, I mean, I can touch upon how an investment of 5,76,000 can probably be 3x, 5x, or 10x. And one-time investment of 5,76,000. How did this number come along? Anybody? You buy 9 UPOSes. 9 UPOSes into 64,000 comes to that number. 9 UPOSes gives you ownership of 10 shares in Global Ghana. 10 shares. I can tell you what the value is right now, but if I tell you, let's say, well, this doesn't exist. So we'll talk offline. But the possibility is it can be a 3x, 4x, 5x, the number. I gave you all the details about this company right at the start. Now you evaluate if this becomes public, if this goes public, what will be the price? For all of us who are investing in stocks, what is the thing that is told to us? Get a good business that has a good network effect, that has constant customers coming in, that has very less to spend on sundry costs. If the entire leadership of this company is paying on incentives, is working on incentives and commissions and building a network, and after that getting people on board, what do you think is possibly the growth strategy? You are not required to invest, but the opportunity exists. If that is also of interest to you, we can talk about this after, whenever we get on a call. Okay, so with that said, how many of you want me to cover this topic? Multi-level marketing versus DG. Anybody? Anandan, I see your hand. Okay, people, show of hands on Zoom. How many of you want me to cover this? I'll take 3 minutes. Bonnie, Anand, I thought you all understood everything. No, don't worry. I will.
It's more for the benefit of others.
I get it, Anand. No, and I think that's good. So, people, if you are not interested, I can script this topic. But if you do,
well, Sharath, because
Anand, I get it. Nobody else? Guys,
Sharath, how much time is it going to take?
Oh, sir, come on now. Okay, do we have any more hands showing up? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'll quickly run through this. Understand the structure in an MLM. Once again, for all you people who have seen people being rich with Amway, Herbalife, Enagic, these are excellent companies. I'm not taking anything away from these companies. I'm just trying to clarify the distribution structure between an MLM company and Global Ghana, which is a traditional business system with a little bit of intelligence built in. Okay, I have nothing wrong. I have a few families who have made a good amount of money from network marketing companies. So I'm not saying anything against them. Yes, there are a lot of fraud companies. That's where you need to study and evaluate. So with that in pretext, this is the structure of a network marketing company. You join, you get 36 people, and then each of them have to keep inviting more and more people. Is that correct? Yes or yes? My question is, there's a fault with this system. If a network marketing company has this mechanism, what will happen to the people that come over here? Right at the bottom.
No chance.
These people will make the earnings. Nothing happens over here. You have to wait for eternity. Like Mark said, after about 100 years.
Correct.
This network works on people. People need to join the network.
Correct.
This is Global Ghana's distribution system, just like any other business. 14 state heads right at the top to take care of the country's distribution. Under 14 state heads, 10 ACPs each or a little more depending on the zones covered. Master channel partners. Then you have 1,800 CPs. Then you have 18,000 ACPs. Each ACP is going to get 2 or 3 or 5 or 10 or 20 partners. taking at a conservative 2, and then 9 lakh UPOSes. There is no more coming here. This is open throughout the year whenever you want to get in. 9 lakh UPOSes, chapter close. After that, there will be no need of partners also. So partners will be eliminated. Whatever incentive is due for them, that continues. But we will not need partners anymore. Why? If you've already sold 9 lakh UPOSes, why do you need partners? Then 18,000 AC fees will take trade of each pin code and try to drive the business within that pin code. Business out here happens on trades, on buyer and seller. It has nothing to do with how many people are coming. More people get in, more trades happen, yes. But it's never just because the people come in. Same Sharath can do trade of 10,000, Sharath can go about doing a trade of 10 lakhs.
Understood.
Are we very clear about this so far?
Yes.
Yep.
Thank you so much. Right? Another thing, remember, in all your network marketing companies, they will ask you to promote their product. Take any networking company, they will have a product to sell because it's a regulation. You can't just start a money circulation scheme. You need to have a product. And now those rules have become even more tightened, that they need to be within a certain number, and you can't sell a clock piece for 10,000 rupees. If you think that was not happening, it was definitely happening. A 5-meter clock piece was sold for 10,000, 15,000 rupees. Ridiculous. But please remember, Global Ghana is not selling any product of its own. It is enabling the middleman. It is helping one person go about changing and selling anybody's brand. You don't need to join the network by buying a product, by buying a kit, by buying anything. How you join the network is just by being a user or being a vendor. Are we all very clear about this?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, Poonam. Guys, come on. Yeah. All right. So with this, I put a halt to our questions. I put a halt to our presentation. Any one of you, see, here's my take. This is how I've gotten involved. You don't need to do what I'm doing. But if you think you'd like to get involved in different ways, let's get on a call. Drop me a WhatsApp message. I'm not looking at my phone today, and tomorrow is a holiday. I'm not looking at my phone. It's taken, with all of this preparation, we've made so many critical mistakes on this PPT, and it's embarrassing, right? I thought I could probably just pay this online, but it's clearly not. I'll have to make another one. That said, ladies and gentlemen, drop me a message and saying, I'd like to get involved in this. Let me know when we can get on a call. We'll take about 15-20 minutes each, understand. But if nothing else, I don't see a reason why you will not have a UPOS. If not for anybody else, at least for yourselves. Whether you want to do trade or not, on your own expenses, you have another source of income. So with that, I stop, and I'm going to be available for more questions if you all need. I can give another 15-20 minutes if you all need to ask questions. Now would be your time. Please share your videos, unmute your lines, shoot with the questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And by the way, John, if you can be online, great. But if you cannot, thank you very much for taking the time and being a support and making sure I don't misquote and deviate the audience, right? And give incorrect information. So thank you for putting in the time. If you're going to be with us for a little longer, I'd really appreciate it. But I understand you've given us 4.5 hours. So thank you once again, and I will talk to you as soon as we are done with this webinar.
Thank you very much, Sharath. And I did appreciate the patience of almost 60-odd audience. Brilliant. Fantastic.
Thank you.
In fact, I just know one person out of your entirety, Mr. Anandan. We had worked together in Minax. Aditya Birla Minax.
Anandan is a very, very popular celebrity.
Okay.
But that said, I think probably they are on this call. They're just worried I might just pull out their money and all of that. So they're like, okay, Sharath, get done with this. As soon as I say thank you very much, they'll probably all leave off. But anyways, that's that.
So I'll take leave. Thank you so much. It was a brilliant session. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Everybody else on the call, I'm stopping to share my screen. And if you have questions, you can shoot. Or else, if you'd like to take leave, you can do that as well.
So I have a question.
Sharath, sorry, go ahead.
Yeah. So basically, now suppose you have a UPOS, and I can directly buy something on Global Ghana. Then why do I buy it by you?
You don't buy it by me. Now you're on your own.
So basically, how will you get benefited then?
I don't need to. On whatever trades you do on your UPOS, I get 10% of it. On whatever earnings you make on your UPOS, I make 10% on it.
Correct. No, so now I have a UPOS and I have a network of people. Now, once I introduce...
Stop. I'll make it easy for you. You are thinking, why am I doing this for all of you guys, right? Not everyone is as enterprising as Mayur. Not everyone wants to build a network and probably take this very large or take a leadership role. Some of them just like to be part as a partner. Some of them just like to be part as a user or a vendor. Either way, I have trained a staff to go about helping us in every vertical. In your case, for all the work that you're going to be doing, I make 10% on that because of being a leader, being on the hierarchy of, on the leadership road.
Okay.
Right? So for me, all of your effort is completely passive. Completely passive. Right? Now, I could have told you don't buy a UPOS.
Right.
Right? But I know who are the families who need to have a UPOS and who are the families that don't need to. But for the love of God, I still can't understand why would anyone not choose to take one, because it's just an investment of freaking 65 grand. Does that answer the question, Mayur?
No. So basically my query is, now I have a UPOS and I can basically help anyone buy whatever they want, right? Now, yes. My friend is Zubin, and suppose he's looking for any policy or something, whatever he wants. I can basically get him connected to someone.
You can get him connected to any of the vendor whom you'd like to be. One, for connecting that vendor, you get a payout on whatever is the earning of that vendor.
Correct. But if he can directly get connected, then I will not get benefited over there, right?
Why not? You will get a UPOS income, no? You would not get a referral income. You will get a UPOS income.
But why will I get a UPOS income? Because the trade is not happening via me. He's directly getting connected with the person.
You will get in touch with the vendor and sell the vendor's coupon to this guy, no?
Okay, that way. But if he directly connects, then I will not come in. I will not get any benefit, right?
See, you are not looking at working with the world, Mayur.
Right.
You're not looking at working with the world. You're working at that. You're looking at working with that 50 to 250 families. That's all you can service.
Right.
Right. Those 250 families buy 10% of their trades through you. That's all you're looking. Don't look at the world.
Right.
You know, when I was shown this presentation, they were showing me numbers of 50 lakh rupees a freaking month. And all of it is true, number-wise. But practically, when I do 500 people, I mean, I love my business. I have a trading, you know, the amount of income that I make, different sources, right?
Right.
This, I need to keep another staff to do it.
Correct.
I'm not in the business of trying to, this is not giving me a kick. This is giving me a kick because I will get the people enrolled into my service. Can you imagine? I will put all my coaching programs on Global Gunners platform. I become a vendor. For everyone who's coming on the platform, they can claim this through app. Right. Instead of spending 4 lakhs on Facebook without knowing how many customers, how many registrations I'll have, right. I have a ready-made registration right now.
Right.
Is that making sense?
Yeah.
Awesome. What else?
Sharat?
हाँ भाई, start करो अभी.
यार ठीक है, तो ये जो रेफरल सिस्टम है, जैसे मैंने किसी को आगे रेफरल किया और उसने किसी और को रेफरल किया, चैन मान के चलो कि 100 पीपल का रेफरल हो गया, तो रेफरल सिस्टम में कैसे ये रिवॉर्ड्स मिलेंगे?
So here's the thing, Sanjeev. Don't mix the two. There are two different income sources. One is cashback. One is a referral incentive.
मैं रेफरल की बात कर रहा हूँ.
Yeah, I understand. When you refer 10 people, they directly download the app from your code.
Okay.
You get a referral incentive straight away. Okay. Whenever they refer somebody else on their earning, so level 1. Okay. First set of 10 people.
Okay.
These 10 people referred how many other people?
Okay.
On the first level of their reference, you make a 10%.
Done.
Which means you get 1% of the referral incentive.
10% of referral incentive.
No, that is for the first level. For the second level, you make 10% of this first level.
Okay.
Which means what? 1%, no?
Oh, yeah.
1%. And it stops at level 2.
Okay.
Let's say you introduce Manas. Okay. Manas introduced some ABC.
Utkarsh.
Utkarsh, right? Utkarsh goes about referring Sanjeev, whoever, Vishal, right? on Vishal, you make nothing.
Okay.
Right? So it's only 2 level deep. That's why it's not a network. It's not a chain.
I get मेरे नीचे मैं मानस का जो आएगा मैं उससे मुझे इनकम आएगी मानस से नीचे वो होगा लैग होगा उसमें नहीं आएगी
2 levels you will get maximum at 2 level deep.
Okay.
Good. What else?
As you said, it's a cash only, so we're not burning any money or anything like that. So
no. 1 second, Anand. What I meant was, Global Ghana as a company is not burning money to get users.
Yeah. So the point is, what if some of the vendors don't pay them the incentive or their brokerage?
Good question. Like every other trade in business, there will be some scalperous vendors. What will you do first thing? You will raise a ticket.
Yeah.
You will raise a ticket and you will say this vendor didn't agree to the agreement. Global Ghana will follow up and see whether you are right or the vendor is right. If the vendor is at fault, they will say, okay, bad luck. Now, if they break the contract and they still don't give you the cash back, I'm not sure whether Global Ghana will go about refunding, but that vendor will be taken out of the list permanently. He's blacklisted. Now, keeping that in agreement, if a vendor is onboarded really well, do you think a vendor want to mess around with things? So yes, there are chances it can happen for a very few unlucky few. See, if you look at the effort that I'm doing, Anandan, okay, I don't need to. Why did I get into all of these details? Because I don't know which of you will look at which department. But then there are so many other people who've just become as partners who might just probably not educate a vendor the way I'm educating. My job is not to get the numbers. I know numbers will happen if I educate them really well. But just like how people missell insurance policies, just like people how they go about misquoting numbers, can that happen? Yes, it can. If it can be resolved, and all effort will be taken to get resolved. If it doesn't, then the vendor gets out of the board. Simple. So I wish I had a straighter answer to that, but that's as direct as it can be, Anand.
Sharath, I had one question.
Yes.
So to qualify for that cashback, we have to buy with cash only, or we can use GG coins also for transactions?
Say that again.
You mentioned there are 4 types of cashbacks.
You're talking about the instant cashback?
No, any 4.
Cashback, you're saying whether can I pay in cash, credit card, Paytm wallet, or can I use GG coins? Is that correct?
Yes.
You can redeem your bill amount of whatever purchase you're doing no more than 70% if that is the limit given by that vendor. No vendor will keep 70%, 50%. Very rarely will they keep it if they are in different lines of businesses. But on an average, the maximum the number that it hovers around is 5 to 10%. So if you're paid of 10,000 rupees, 5% will be claimable from GG coins.
शरद, जो आपके पास GG coin होंगे, वो आप कभी भी GG money में convert करवा सकते हो या any limit?
No, you can only get that converted according to the My Circle. You remember the 4th level.
Okay.
You will be allowed to convert 10,000 into GG money. Until then, it is GG coins.
Okay.
The only way you can redeem it is by going and doing shopping. 5% keep looking at and look at all vendors who are accepting GG coins.
अगर 10,000 GG coin जब तक नहीं होती तब तक आप इसे redeem नहीं कर सकते हो, convert नहीं कर सकते हो.
No, you cannot. No, you cannot.
10,000 के बाद आप convert कर सकते हो जितना मर्जी हो.
According to that stage, that cycle I showed, no?
Okay.
And see, Sanjeev, it is not easy to get there. I made it sound like it's so simple and then, it's a bed of roses. No, it is not. Like anything else, it's a proper algorithm-driven number system.
Fine. लेकिन आप किसी को अगर जैसे मैं किसी को present करूंगा, वो मुझसे अगर question पूछेगा तो मुझे पता होना चाहिए कि इसका जवाब क्या है.
So Sanjeev, I'll give you a recommendation, and for everybody who's planning to get associated, do not. Mayur, are you here? Mayur Chandrani, are you here?
Yeah, Sharath, I'm there.
Okay, Mayur, when you were all excited to go about telling this to so many people, what did I tell you was the first thing that you need to do?
Go through your contact list and make a list of people whom you feel can basically be a part of this, and they can basically make use of this.
And how and what level do you think they can get associated? Is that correct?
Right.
Sanjeev, did you see why I asked that question?
Understand.
You never go about presenting when you don't have data. Can you potentially imagine for me to know all of this in 3 weeks, how much of time I have invested?
lots of.
And you came for the other webinar as well. What did you say? This is a scam.
No, I didn't say a scam.
I'm using the wrong word. But I'm saying,
मैंने ये कहा था कि भाई नहीं, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि बिल्कुल जैसा आप बता रहे हो वैसा हो जाएगा.
Precisely. There's a system and matters to the entire thing, right? All I'm saying is, if you study it well, today when I gave you a complete breakdown, what was the intent of that presentation? The intent of that presentation was to get any person who's looking at an alternate source of income. Everybody in Global Ghana told me, Sharath, 4 hours is a nightmare. Nobody will sit down and listen. But I know my audience. You think I would do this for any random people? Chanceless.
Sharath, वही चीज है कि ये आपने कहा था कि है इसलिए, वरना मेरे से 1 घंटा नहीं बैठा जाएगा वेबिनार के लिए.
I know, no.
तो मैं 4 घंटे से बैठा हुआ हूँ.
And are you glad that you did?
Yeah.
There you are. See, if nothing else, you will have optimized tax outflow. How good. For all the time you are complaining about taxes, now you can make sure that you at least have 10, 20, 30, 40% lesser in tax outflow.
Definitely.
Not starting today. Not starting today. Eventually. And if this one business gives you alternative to other incomes, why not?
No doubt.
Sharath, I have one question.
Yes, Paki. My God, Paki, you're all.
Yeah, no. Just Sharath, one question. See, normally what happens is for every type of points, we do have a validity time duration. So do we have a validity time duration for this GG points?
None. 0.
Okay. And what about this UPOS which you are saying? Suppose if I purchase one, just for example, and I don't do anything, no networking, nothing. So will it going to
You're wasting your money.
Yeah, we're wasting money, right?
You can do, if you're not getting traded to anybody else, it's okay. But if you think that you do sizable amount of expenses of your household through the UPOS, then it is still making sense, because investment is how much, Paki? 65,000 one time. Yeah. Every year, if you manage to get 50,000 rupees as income, in 3 years, you've already got 3 times your money, right?
No, so all these payments, all these insurances payment which we make, no, they don't count.
Again, Paki, that's why I'm just saying 50,000. For someone who's spending 10 lakh rupees a year, 10 lakhs, how much is 1% of 10 lakhs? 10,000 rupees,
10,000,
right?
yeah.
Which means someone needs to do that kind of expense. So you need at least 3 or 4 families. But my point is, it is an extra income coming in, no? Today it's valued at 60,000. If only 9 lakh UPOSes are built, how much do you think will be the price point of one UPOS later on, if you want to rent it, lease it or whatever, to a business owner?
No. Sorry, come up again. Sorry, come up again.
There are only 9 lakh UPOSes that are going to be licensed, correct?
Okay.
Today you buy it at 65,000 odd rupees. Tomorrow, if there is another vendor, business owner who wants to buy a license, and if you have to lease it out or if you have to sell it, do you think the price point will be the same, or at least it will be having a premium?
Yeah, obviously it will increase.
There you are. So if
but
you're
then,
not buying it,
no, again coming to this question. Now, suppose if I have to sell out or rather lease out, then is GG going to help me, or how am I going to go about that?
एक ad Times of India में आएगा, okay? 1 साल के बाद there will be people searching for the application. आप तब तक wait कर लो ना.
How can we be so sure about it? Like, that's what I'm, see, no doubt about that, given all the energy level, time duration, and even the audience's patience and everything done. But then how can you be so sure, Sharath? Because, see, do you know anyone who has actually got that money back, or do you know someone who
the person who introduced me to the system? I was on coffee day on Thursday, I was in coffee day. Okay. This guy sitting with me, I'm running this entire presentation with him. I'm telling this is the format. He was also 1 hour and all. Nobody will sit more than 1 hour, right? But my point is, I'm seeing his messages getting credited. The difference, he's got 200 UPOSes under him.
Okay.
I'm seeing his phone showing me messages now. Okay, 1 second.
Sharath, see, it all sounds good, no doubt about that. But the only thing is, you need to have a. Sorry, 1 minute. Something went wrong. No, nothing. The only thing is, like, see, you as a person, as a person, if I'm investing my hard-earned money over here, then I need to be doubly sure that, okay, someone has actually gone about gaining that not that much as we had promised, but at least some part of it. And we need to have a.
Paki, 1 second. Stop.
Yeah.
Now this is our emotions asking these questions. I shared all those data with you practically from whatever I know, right? I have not stopped any data. Do I have more data? As and when I have, I will keep sharing with you. But let's understand something. Do you buy a UPOS? No, you don't need to. Can you make money from the incentives and referrals without buying a UPOS? Absolutely, you can. When do you buy a UPOS? Sometime in the future, you believe that you can use this for 2 or 3 hours, and with the network you got, you can do trades by yourself.
Okay.
If you believe, at max, Paki, with your portfolio that you have you lost 54,000 in one day?
No, not that I can know.
Not that you know, but you have.
No, that because you know better, you know that, right? You know better than me.
So that's exactly what I'm saying. You are looking at this 54,000 as, oh, it might just go down the drain. You have lost that kind of money while doing trades also. Or while one day when the markets went down, like what happened yesterday? On Friday, when we lost so much, anybody who's got a portfolio of upwards of 30 lakhs has lost minimum of 1 lakh rupees. Imaginary. The valuation has come down. That doesn't mean you lost the money.
Yeah, correct.
Till the time that you have it resold, rented, whatever it is, it's dormant money. Can you afford, I mean, are you going to lose your sleep of having 64,000 being invested and you're not sure what is happening?
No, definitely not.
Bas, simple si baat hai. I'm not, again, Paki, I'm not presenting this opportunity to buy UPOSs. I hope you get it.
No, I got that. I got it. Just that I'm clarifying my understanding for it.
And I get it, right? So just to reiterate, the entire webinar is to teach people that, or rather educate families that there is a possibility that you can make multiple sources of income without your active involvement. Sab kuch chodo. If you go about getting 1 lakh rupees in cash back over the next 3 years, is that income that is coming?
Yeah, and
you have to pay taxes on it. If I can show you your computer, your laptop, your two-wheeler, your internet bills, all of this as business expense and reduce your outflow and taxes, was that a good bet?
Yeah.
There you are. That's all. ROI dekh lo na. Why are we looking at making the 10 lakhs, the 15 lakhs? I didn't look at that at all. Can I make? Absolutely, I can. That's not my focus. My focus right now is to get as many UPOSs as I can. 9 lakhs, September 2021.
Okay.
One sec, KK, one sec. Paki, all good?
All good. Maybe we'll get a different call altogether. Though, yeah, it's okay. No, as of now, I'm all clear. Thank you.
Awesome. I'm pleasantly surprised you're there, Paki, considering what all is happening at NPS. So fantastic.
No, yeah. Just yesterday we got our annual function over. So I have kept myself, freed for today, Sunday. I know it's a nightmare since again tomorrow, but that's why I was here.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Go ahead, KK.
Sharath, I think, as you suggested, we should get on a different call and then take your suggestions. That's all I wanted to say, and I will log off for now.
All right, KK. Thanks for being there. Any other questions, ladies and gentlemen?
Sharath, one question.
Yes, Anish.
Is UPOS you are talking about, is it a hardware or a software? It's like a machine, point of sale machine, or it's a software?
Just like how we downloaded the Global Agana app, you also get access to a UPOS, which is a desktop version, or you go onto an app. It's a website. You go to a web application.
Okay.
You get a registration done at the back end. Once the registration is done, you have 2 separate logins. User login, UPOS login.
Okay, so it is software basically.
It's a software. Absolutely.
Okay, fine.
That's why now you see why there is a possibility that we will come and achieve that ambitious target of what Jio has.
Yeah, I thought that if it is a machine, then how will 2 people or multiple people share it? So it's a software.
Chanceless.
Sharath, I have a question. Sheetal here.
Nice, Sheetal.
Yeah, just one question. You spoke about this UPOS, and then there was a mention about this for salaried people showing this computer and printer and all other as expenses towards business. So are these both connected? For example, if I take a UPOS, I can show this one as expenses towards business.
Any investment that you make in order to make an income is an investment, is a business expense. Okay, so far?
Yes.
As a person who's making income, now, do you need to be a UPOS owner to make income with Global Ghana? No, you don't.
Okay.
If you buy a UPOS under your name, all the trade that happens through your UPOS, because of the number of families that you are going to introduce and get them to do business with, you will have an additional income.
Correct.
It's a different line of income. So referral income, UPOS income. These are two separate incomes.
Okay.
You can choose to have one, and just like I was telling Paki, you don't need to be looking at this only from an income generation thing. Tomorrow, if the entire thing what it's saying, that there will be no more than 9 lakhs, is the value of your UPOS going to go up or down? Or will it stay stagnant?
It will obviously go up.
Right? Because do you think having a UPOS is making sense to a business owner?
Yeah, that I understood.
Correct? So you lend it out to a business owner. You paid 54,000, you asked 10x or 5x. Use it as a capital appreciation. Just like you would buy a property.
Okay. Yeah, that part I understood.
Hey, one sec. Let me finish it, Sheetal. Sorry.
So that part I understood. The only one part I'm trying to understand is I'm a salaried person and how I can show all these other expenses towards business.
Sheetal, you have properties, you have rental income coming in, correct?
Correct.
On your ITR, how does it show? Income from other sources, correct?
Correct.
Income from other sources, in your case, if you didn't know, that can be formed as a business income because you don't have one property, you got a couple of them.
Correct.
All maintenance expenses on your house, all repairs on your house, any kind of expense that comes on your house which is giving you rental income, that is shown as an expense before it calculates for taxes, yes?
Yes.
Likewise, all referral incentives that you're getting in. Are you doing this through a laptop?
Yes.
Can you show a laptop as a business expense?
Correct.
You're using a phone? You're paying a phone bill?
Yes.
You're making calls to talk to vendors and everything and build your business?
Correct.
All of that can be shown as business expense, which as a salaried person you couldn't do right now. But now because you have an alternate source of income, irrespective of how much money you're making.
Okay.
Right? You can show that you made an income of referral incentives to 50,000 rupees. Your expenses has been 1 lakh. Carry forward negative 50,000 rupees for the next financial year.
Understood.
Okay.
Understood. Yeah.
And then repeat the whole thing all over again.
Correct. Yeah. Understood.
You also know that you are going to be trading with us, right?
Yes.
When you're trading with us, what kind of income is it? Capital gains or income gains? What kind of taxation comes in? Capital taxes or income taxes?
I'm not sure.
Okay, let's say you answered it correctly. It's capital gains, right? It's business income. So done.
Yeah.
Did I answer the question for you?
Yes, Sharad.
Awesome. I had another question. I'm sorry.
No, Sharad, it was just a clarification to say that the Ipsos in UPOS income will be considered as business expenditure, and you need not be.
UPOS income will be considered as business income.
Business income, and therefore the related expenses can be shown against that.
Any expense that is related. Okay, Anand. For everybody who is salaried, here's how taxation works. What bills you can show and what bills you cannot show for income, as a business expense. Okay. If I'm using a car, I'm putting fuel into it. If I'm using my car to get from one place to another place, can I use that as a business expense?
Yes.
That's all it is.
Yeah.
Any form of expense that I would use to build on my business, okay, can be shown as a business expense. So all these years, remember, your losses can be carried forward for the next 7 years. 1 year when you have that 1 crore coming, instead of paying 1 crore taxes on paying taxes on entire 1 crore, you can show all of these offsetted business expenses. These expenses minus the income is what you end up paying in taxes. Is that okay?
Yeah. Good.
Thanks for asking. Thanks for the question. Any other questions?
Sure, one question here, Anisha.
Yes.
Sorry. Yeah.
No worries. Go ahead.
Just maybe I missed this part. Is a UPOS specific to a PIN code?
No, it's not. No, it's not. See, you have 19,200 odd PIN codes in the country.
Okay, good.
You will have only 18,000 PIN codes that we think is viable for business. 18,000 ACPs. But you have 9 lakh UPOSs.
Okay.
See, UPOS is not necessarily on the area, no? UPOS is basically what? It's a digital mall. Can you imagine if I had Allen Solly? Now let's picture UPOS is an instrument that helps you sell Allen Solly shirts. Do you think Allen Solly would have any branding, any weightage if it was available in every gully?
I got it. Yeah, I got your point.
That's the same thing. So go ahead, please.
This is a long question, so you might have to have. So just wanted to check before diving into this, and understanding all this. I wanted to check what kind of devil's advocate activity that you did and understood. From your perspective when you were trying to jump in. Is there any specific things that you checked? That you
80
thought.
hours of content. That guy Vikas Rawat is the founder of the company. He was there for a 3-day workshop out here. I attended the workshop me and Shobhita did it together. Shobhita left it because it was said in the regional language. She doesn't understand Kannada.
Okay.
Right? And after that, I've done purchases for myself. I can share I can share with you the receipts that I have had. See, I'll tell you how I looked at it, Anish. Okay, is 54,000 something that I can afford to risk? I'm not saying lose. I'm saying, is this something that I can afford to risk? Because money is not the question for me. I'm concerned about my time. Now, for the time that I'm going to be putting in, will I get rewarded accordingly? Can I get rewarded for my time? The system shows. I'm seeing people who are getting credited. It's not basis on what your position is, right? A regional director had lesser income compared to an MCP. That's simply because of the number of people that he's been working with. Everyone's getting paid as per their efforts. There's no chain hierarchy, nothing. Everybody has their own involvement. At my level, I'm supposed to have X number of UPOSs sold. That's not the kick. Nothing happens, they will take. But I know I have got a UPOS. Tomorrow, if everything what the company is saying is true, I can earn from the increased appreciation on the license of UPOS. I can earn on forget everything else. I'm spending on Facebook for myself. I become a vendor on the app and I only charge on my UPOS. How cool is that?
Yep.
So for me, it made sense. These are all the questions and answers that I have asked. Along with this, can it help me generate and get more customers? You bet. Any day easier than Facebook. It might not be a good fit for you just as yet with all the limited information that I have, Anish. However, like I said, use the same thing. Don't get too emotional with the money that you're putting in. It's 65,000 rupees. One time, lifelong. It has a validity of 80 years. Even if I put 5 lakhs today in a market and I'm not sure which stock I'm putting in, I will lose 50,000 just like that. Would you agree?
Yeah.
I don't know whether there's anything else that I can do. I either make, I either lose. There's no alternate sources. There's no other alternate options. Here, if I somehow manage it, my business is, if my work pressure is a little less, whatever it is, if I've got some more time, I build a strategic kind of a working engagement, and then I can make an alternate source of income. Why not? You don't want to buy any UPOS, don't want to get involved, don't get involved, be a partner.
No, I was just trying to understand what was your approach that you took so that, it can give us more clarity on what all.
I get it, Anish. I see in my head when I'm saying if you don't want to, it's like, this is what I thought. It's 50,000 rupees of money that I can say, Tata goodbye to. Absolutely. I'm a person who first puts the money in and then cuts, because that's where I put my time. Otherwise, I don't put the time. No?
I agree, because I know you and I know you are not a person who would invest in MLM. So
no, see, I have invested in thousands of them. I've been a part of Amway, I've been a part of Herbalife, I've been a part of Energy, I've been a part of God knows how many more, at least 9. But it helps me study. I can't study. You tell me if I'm going to somebody else, okay, if I'm going to a leadership from that, will they invest time with me in telling how the system works? I didn't put large amounts of money. How much is that kit? Some 10 grand or 15 grand. What are you going to lose with 15 grand? It's a learning experience. How do you think I'm getting so many people to sell their one and only house? After I put in 15 lakhs, no? This 15 lakhs has hurt me quite a bit. Now, how do I tell people which are the things to put in and which are the things not to put in? For me, it's coming as a return on investment and time. So I can say that many more families not to do that mistake again.
Yeah.
Is that making sense, Anish?
Yes.
All right, cool. Any other questions?
Okay, one last one, Sharath. What if these guys change their business model later? Instead of 9 lakhs, they say, no, now the pressure is more, so we make it 18 lakhs or whatever.
18 lakhs for 1.3 billion population. Is that okay?
Or 10x that. I don't know. I'm just throwing out the number, okay? So
if it happens, Anandan, in that case, then you get that much lesser revenue. Simple. Or you probably don't get revenue. 65,000 rupees gone down the drain.
Yeah.
Can you live with that?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay.
One more thing, sir. And regarding the training or anything and that is there related to any vendor engagement or any UPOS or anything. So will it be given directly by Gigi or it will be given by you, or how is it?
Watch this, okay, Naresh. When I got on board, my leadership went about sharing all of these different material. Can you see that? Let me show you something, 1 minute. All these videos and everything that I shared with you, I told you I've looked at 80 odd hours of content, right? All of these. Everybody is given this. How many people do you think will go through all of this?
Very few.
That's precisely what I'm talking to you about. So one, you can get this. And do you think I got all this thing only from this? No, absolutely not. My leadership is willing to help. So depending on how much, depending on what kind of level you want to get involved with, you can either get help from me, the system, or the network.
Okay.
Did I answer the question, Naresh?
Yes, very much.
Awesome. Do I have any other questions? Aarti, have you raised your hand for this question or long time back as a acknowledgement to an answer?
Long time back to that MLM question.
Sorry, my bad. I'm not too good at manning both the chat and the thing, but is there any question, anything else that people would like to ask? I still have 22 people, so I'm not quite sure.
So Sharath, just one thing, the recording, I know you said April. I think if you can send that earlier, forget the editing bit. If you can send that, that would really be helpful. Have an idea of how much time I can invest. So that tie up, I'll be able to relate it to the video. And I'm sure this is not an ask from me. Others could also have a similar ask.
I like the way you're saying this, Aarti, but I think you make sense because my intent of doing what I wanted to do was purely based from an angle of, having this hosted online. So I don't have to keep saying this over and over again. I don't want to repeat my time and effort that is going in, right? But now because you're saying that it's okay to have a crude one, possibly I can make that available. I'll just see, I will have a chat with Shobhita and see how we can make this available in a manner. See, live that you're there, there's so much, I still have your engagement, right? But when we're talking, this being this being on a record, it's going to defeat the purpose. Very few people are going to be glued onto the system, pay that kind of attention. But like I said, I promise I'll check this with Shobhita and see how soon we can get this available for all the folks who missed out on this.
Sharath, just one question regarding franchisee. I didn't completely understand the concept.
Don't worry. There are two ways you can get involved in the franchise. At a water level, you're looking at a 6 lakh or a 10 lakh investment. If you're looking pin code level, okay, you can be involved. You pay Global Ghana a fixed salary or whatever it is, consulting fee to pay your salaries, trucks, whatever it is, as far as distribution is concerned. From the retail, from the grocery store perspective, a minimum investment of 25 lakhs and above. You can do it with yourself. You can partner up with 2 or 3 people, come together and get this done. But one grocery store per pin code. Online, offline. You can order online, delivery will be done home to your home, all of that story.
Okay.
I personally consider I'm considering to evaluate and invest in the grocery store, but I know I have this dirty habit. If I get involved in something, I have to get involved completely. That will take a big hit on my current business. So I'm in 2 minds yet.
Okay.
So that is that.
Okay.
I mean, I don't mind if, we have 4 or 5 people who have the resources, time, and a little bit. We can all pull in a little bit of money, and then each of us pull in resources from different sources and get things done. I'm okay to do that. I can evaluate that a little later.
Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other questions, ladies and gentlemen?
So Sharad, given like there are so many permutations, combinations, I guess this will be everyone's query, how to basically make the best use of this.
Which is the best investment? Which is the best stock to invest in, Mayur?
No, see that.
Tell the answer.
That we need to see which is the best one. I cannot tell you upfront. Depending on the company's thing that.
Depending on how long my time horizon is, no?
Right.
Depending on what kind of returns I want to make.
Correct.
If I want to make substantial returns, I can't make it in a large cap, can I?
Correct.
Right? If I want to make money when I'm losing, when the market's going down, then I have to take derivatives. Correct?
Right.
Same thing with the permutation combination with the business, Mayur. Can you imagine you bought a UPOS without even knowing all of this? Are you glad that you did this?
No, no, the thing is, I have various connects. So how do I go about making the best use?
We will work together. That's why build your list.
Right.
Then leave everything. You think this is all Goli that I'm giving, no? See my list.
No, I saw your list. You have, you have segregated the people into different categories and what message you need to send. You have mentioned everything over there.
Correct, no?
Right.
Now, and why do you think I did that? There were certain see, this is my PPT, no? I can't be any more transparent than this. Right. This is my format. This is the PPT. These are the invitation of people that are going to be coming in, under what they are going to be coming. Everything is here.
Right. That I saw when you shared it for some time, for a few minutes over there.
Correct. So I'm not saying by any ways, I'm not saying that this is something that you can easily go about doing. It's a full-time job.
Right.
If you want to make big money. You want to play small, you can do that. Time. And basis that but first step, you have to start by making your list. Segregate your list, and then we know what kind of effort we need to put in.
Right.
What else? Any other questions, ladies and gentlemen? 20 more folks. Are you still there to ask more questions? Or are you still there to listen to other people's asking questions?
Just on the listening mode.
Is Sharad Sibi here?
Yes, Sibi.
Yeah. So I know that the communications will start coming in, but are we good to start using the platform as a user at this point of time?
Don't do that just as yet, Sibi, because I want you to benefit every time you're using the app.
Okay.
So let's see. You didn't know that this platform exists so far, correct?
Yes.
Wait for another week till I complete all the calls, and then take advantage of it from that perspective.
Got it. Done.
Binu is not working now, correct?
Yeah.
You have connections in the industry, correct?
Yeah.
Get her added as a partner, and from there she will get introduced. She will introduce other people to be vendors. You drive it. Just like you think Shobita as a partner, you think she's doing any of the sales.
Okay.
Does that answer the question, Sibi?
Yeah, it does.
Awesome. What else? Anybody else? Okay, it's 8 o'clock. Thanks, Sharad. Great presentation. We'll connect with you logging off. All right. Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you, Sharad.
Okay.
See you. Bye.
Thanks, Anand, and have a lovely evening.
Bye.
Thank you, Sharad.
Take care, Paki. Take care. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
All right, folks, 8 o'clock.
Thank you, Sharad.
For all of you who are still here, thank you for being on time, and I'm glad we went 1 hour extended, but I hope it was worth your while, and I didn't take too much of your Sunday away. Trust me, there will be many more Sundays that we can go about making much better use of in the future eventually. So, I will still keep the WhatsApp group live for at least another week till we have a few questions. And then we will have that disabled. And then, I'll see. I don't have a plan of action in terms of how are we going to take the next steps. But if nothing else here, people, 1 UPOS, 65,000, consider it a business investment and see how you can like to take things forward. All right. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Have Sunday. My daughter is going to take the invisible dagger and start me right there because I promised her by 7 o'clock I'm taking her out. So I have to drop off. Have a lovely evening. I'll talk to you.
Have a great time.
Thanks, sir. Have a good weekend. Bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Thank you.